Hello everyone, so today we're doing a little phone vlog. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of do like a day in my life situation. I've been obsessed with watching these videos recently, especially Melissa Mark. Love her. You guys should really go check her out. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna just kind of show you what I do typically in a day. Obviously every day is not the same, but this is essentially what it is. The plan is I'm currently at my mom's house and I am going to go to the gym, and I went yesterday and made a promise to myself I'd go every day this week. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I already ate breakfast. I had some pancakes. So healthy. And then I'm probably gonna go back to my dad's house, and because I'm with him today, and then I'm going to finish packing. I am going on vacation with my boyfriend on, we leave Friday, and so I just need to finish packing and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go to the gym, back to my dad's house, then to finish packing, and then I don't really know, then I have work at 5 o'clock. But right now it's, what time is it right now? 10:19, so still got a while. Yeah, here we go. New year, new me. A little late. Alright, so a little OOTD. I think this is from, I don't know, I think it's like from Marshalls or something. These are Fabletics. They have like the little pockets. I know. Oh my god. And then they have like mesh on the side of them. I love them. Anyways, and then these shoes are New Balance. How cute they are. They have like little, if you watched my like recently stuff I bought that I love, you'd see these, and they have little hearts in them, which I think are really cute. But I can't get this back on. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Oh my gosh. And then I think, of course, my Hydro Flask, a little pop of color. Am I right, ladies? Yeah, I'm holding my phone so weird right now. Oh my god. Jeez. Okay, I need to brush my teeth and then I'm gonna leave. Okay, so I'm leaving now for the gym. This is a really weird angle. I'm so sorry, but there's literally nowhere else to put my phone. Leaving for the gym now. I don't know if I'm gonna film there because I have like social anxiety.
One man great till they gotta be great. I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. One man great till they gotta be great. Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend sent me down in the salon chair.
Okay, so I just got out of the gym. My headphones died on me. I have the Beats, and so that was pretty sad. And I was like, well, I guess it's a sign for me to leave the gym now. I think I drank too much water all at once, and then I kept working out, and now I just like kind of just don't feel good. So that's always fun. I think I'm going to need to stop somewhere and get new sunglasses because mine are like loose on me. Okay, so I impulsively, well, not really impulsively, but it's just like stuff that I've been wanting to get for a while, but I haven't, like, I just kept forgetting. So I went to Dollar General, which I go there like 3 times a week. I love it there because it's not the Dollar Tree where everything's $1 and it's crap. This is Dollar General where everything you will ever need is there. Anyways, I got, well, my main purpose going here was to get new sunglasses. I think I mentioned that in my previous clip. Whoop. They're anti-glare, so they'll be good for driving too. Cute, cute. Hi, how are ya? But I don't think I've ever had a black pair, and these kind of have like a purple reflect to them for like the anti-glare, I think. I don't know, but thoroughly enjoy them. And I also, since I ripped off my nails, I need to paint them like nicely because they look like absolute shit right now. because I messed them up while they were still dry. So this is from Believe Beauty. It was like $2.50. It's just like this color. It's called Kiss and Tell. And then I just got Wet n Wild Fast Dry Clear Coat. I've been wanting to try a mascara because I only ever used Roller Lash by Benefit because it's just like the best thing I've ever tried. But my eyelashes naturally just stick straight out, like they don't go up or anything without either using waterproof mascara, which the Roller Lash is not, or going like curling my lashes, but then they fall down a little bit. So I'm wondering if I can put on the Roller Lash and then put on waterproof mascara, or waterproof mascara just a little bit, and then the Roller Lash. I'm wondering if I can just like seal it up with this waterproofness, and then maybe it'll keep it up. Because every single time I use waterproof mascara, my eyelashes stay up, which is it's so bizarre, but that's just what they do. So I got CoverGirl's like professional mascara, volume length, definition, waterproof. So I don't really care if this doesn't perform like the best. I'm just really using it for its waterproof capabilities. Gonna head home now. I need a shower. I need to wash my hair extremely badly. So maybe I'll just wash it tonight after work because my hair always smells like a waffle cone by the time I'm done working. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm almost home. Dollar General isn't very far from me, so. Hi! Hello, I don't have any hands to pet you. Come here. Hi, honey. Hi. Hello. What? What are you doing? Huh? Are you sleeping? So, I'm picking out outfits right now for vacation, but I can't tell if I like this or not. Maybe, is this, I feel like this top might just look weird. Like, I really just, is it the straps maybe? They're not supposed to be off the shoulder because they're too, like, loose. Kind of looks better. What if I, hang on, what if I tucked in the sleeves? Okay, so, took off the sleeves, and I actually, but like with the skirt though. Actually, wait, hang on. I actually really like it. Okay, so I ordered bathing suits online off of Aerie, and this is the first one. They were having a sale, and it was like $15 for their bathing suits, and so like this was $15, this was $15, and you know what? I really like it actually. It's very, very comfortable. Yeah, I've never gotten like a bathing suit from Aerie before, so hang on, there's another one. Let me try it on for you. Okay, so here's the other one. Hang on, my dog's barking at me. Come on. Okay, so this one's just ties in the back, cute, high-waisted, love it. I like the way that it kind of just, it like goes right where I want it to. Like it goes right here, like it just stops right there, so it's very flattering, and it's actually like inside out, so technically I got 2 bathing suits for the price of one. So this is the first pattern. It's just like a nice little cheetah print, and then it has little ruffle things on it. So this is the first pattern, and then this is the second pattern. It's just like a little flower paisley one. Oh my gosh, I love it. How freaking adorable. And they're so like, I've never gotten these bathing suits before from like Aerie, and they're so soft and like comfy. And what size did I get for this? It's a little bit small. If I got a small on the top, I should have gotten it a medium, but how cute. So yeah, I got this one, and then the other pattern, and then that one that I just showed you, and then I also got this one from Target. Cute. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll probably pack one more bathing suit that like I already own, but I don't want to have like all of my bathing suits that I had were like up my butt, and I don't really want to wear ones that are up my butt on vacation with my boyfriend's family. So yeah, but I think this is a very flattering fit and I really like it. You guys, I just did this mascara and this is it by itself. Are you kidding me? I didn't even use like the roller lash. Because typically, like, I applied this, like, I did this eye probably like 5 minutes ago and it didn't fall down. And it was so cheap. Okay, it's called the CoverGirl Professional 3-in-1 waterproof mascara, and I got it in Very Black. It takes a couple dips to, you know, do the job, but like, it did the job. And it's waterproof. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. Okay, so I'm leaving now to go to work. But I'm gonna, it's 3:55, I work at 5, but I'm gonna stop at Panera first and get something to eat because no one's home, and there was like nothing for me to really make for dinner, so I'm just gonna go get something from there, probably like the salad that I like, the quinoa one, so. The bag has been secured. Little nice. It's the modern Greek with quinoa salad. You're fine. Okay, so I just got home. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and yeah, I'm just gonna get a shower, probably FaceTime my boyfriend, and then go to bed. And then edit this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for coming along with me today. Yeah, it was a decently active day. Got my new favorite mascara. They're still looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. Everyone's sleeping. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with me. I know you really want to. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.